Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to translate in WhatsApp. Before we start this tutorial, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And please share if you think this tutorial is useful. Let's get this tutorial started. First, open your WhatsApp app. On the message board, start typing your message. When you see triple dots, just press it. Then you will find there is a translate icon or translate button. Just tap it. So you will see there are two languages. It will detect your language and then choose your desired language to translate to. Start typing your message and then it will automatically translate your message.